SB19 and Beanie paving the way for P-pop domination. Billboard Philippines volume. Let's play.
This episode of Billboard Philippines Volumes, full circle moment for us as we have our first ever cover star, SB19, with our new cover star,
Oh,
the two biggest
Billboard
K-pop acts
Philippines.
together on Volumes. Let's turn up the volume on SB19 and Beanie.
Billboard Philippines.
I never thought we'd be here.
Special day. Ay, nagkwentuhan si Malay sa si Stel.
Today is a very special day.
Nag-usap.
Welcome to Billboard Philippines Volumes, where we turn up the volume on your favorite artist stories. And of course, today we are with the Voices of Asia awardees, our maiden issue cover stars, the kings of P-pop, SB19. And now, our anniversary issue cover stars, the nation's girl group, Beanie. Everyone just give it up one time. Please. And now that we've broken the ice, I think we're gonna have a lot of
Yeah, maraming nanonood niyan talaga.
gonna watch this already, but I think there's gonna be a lot of new people that are gonna watch this. So before we start,
Ah, nagpakilala.
introduce themselves. Let's start here in the front. Class.
Where's the camera?
Pablo.
Hello everyone.
Ulit.
I'm SB19. I'm Pablo.
Hi, I'm Bini Colette. I'm Bini Gwen. Hi, I'm Bini Sheena. Hi,
Seryoso si Ken, oh.
Hi, it's Bini Joanna.
Hi everyone, this is Tel.
Hi, I'm Bini Maloy.
Hi, I'm Justin.
Bini Josh daw.
Hi, I'm Benny Josh.
Hi, I'm Ken.
Si Bini 19. Ang witty. Ang witty ng girls. Si ano yun? Si Stacy nakaisip. Nakita ko.
Transferin natin yan.
Or si Joanna.
Galing nun ah.
Repeater ako.
Si Gwen ngayon ang nuggets.
Irregular kasi siya. Repeater daw siya.
Sa likod.
This is insane. The energy today is amazing. Another reason why I'm saying that I never thought this would happen
Cute
is
nila.
because these two groups are everywhere. They're all over the world. They're playing
Kailangan ko ng
shows across
subtitle.
the nation, across the world, and they're here with us today because this is all about P-pop. P-pop is revolutionary.
Yeah.
It's crazy. It's everywhere. You can't go down the street without hearing it. And this is very important for where we are right now. So, to start things off, I'd like to hear in your own
What
words.
is P-pop?
Own words. What
Justin.
is
Si
P-pop?
Justin ang tinatanong.
Sir Justin, can you tell us what is P-pop?
Wow. Thank you, Sir Brett, for that wonderful question. Yeah, technically, P-pop is...
Si Aya nahiwalay. Nasa dulo.
Pero ito'y galing sa puso ng Filipino, ng isang Filipino, and the Filipino musicians, artists, just like us po. So, ayun, I think na paloob na rin, napaloob na rin sa parang understanding ng marami na when you say P-pop, it's like a sing and dance music, usually yung kumakanta na it's a group, but basically it's just pop na gawa or galing sa puso ng Pilipino.
We love that.
Yes, thank you.
Okay. Joanna, what makes Pinoy
Unique.
unique?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah,
Oh my gosh. Well, for me, I guess, nagiging unique yung P-pop kasi as an artist, at as tayo, di ba, as P-pop groups and
Yeah, ganun pala.
try to incorporate traditional Filipino elements. Pero hindi rin
Oh, oo nga.
hindi rin tayo takot
Tama.
mag-incorporate ng
Right.
global pop trends kasi kailangan din natin maging adaptive, 'di ba? So, pwede naman natin i-embrace yung local heritage natin
Ah.
at the same time mag-explore tayo ng global stage. Yeah,
Number one.
Yeah, that's
Yes.
Yeah, go for it.
Yes, go for it.
No, I mean, that's so true. We see P-pop groups doing that now, like Alamat, especially known for that. All of you are doing the same thing. So I guess this leads to another question that I'd like to direct towards some of the members that are from different regions. How important is, I guess, involving other dialects from the Philippines? So
Ibang dialect kasi. Kaya si Ken ang tinatanong.
You know,
Yeah.
Naas nila. Yeah.
To me personally, I'm so proud of being a Bisaya.
yes, you are.
Proud ako
We
kung saan
love
ako
that.
nanggaling. And to me, Di ka siguro sobrang proud ko. Gusto ko i-ano. I think it's about
Tinulak
time
ni
na
Aya si,
hindi
si
sobrang
Sheena.
and
Kasi hindi
siguro
nakikita sa monitor
masaya
si
niyo
Ken.
pakinggan, especially pag gumawa ko ng kanta na Bisayang tune.
Natatawa si Sheena.
Opinion ko lang naman and yan. That's all.
Actually,
Bisaya is beautiful. That's why it's important also kasi madami naman tayong madami tayong dialect and language sa Pilipinas. So, ayun. Siguro it's a thing to unite people kasi hindi mo naman kailangan intindihin yung bawat Hindi mo naman kailangan maintindihan yung lyrics ng bawat kanta. It's just how you feel it because you don't try to understand music, you feel it.
that's true.
So,
Okay na.
yeah,
Bumalik
it's
na siya.
beautiful.
We see other
Natatawa si
countries every
Mika.
day, like let's say Korean acts come here to the Philippines. We have Filipinos singing in Korean the whole time. We're moving towards a stage where we'll see acts go to other countries and they'll start singing in Tagalog, even Bisaya. It can happen. I'd like to
Okay,
ask you
Mika.
the same question.
Parang napuputol yung nila, video.
How important is representation in music right now?
I think it's really important to have representation because I think that's how we
Oo,
all get to
tama.
share really our music and
Puro
our
tama.
culture and everything in the world. Like this is why we do world tours aside from gathering more people to know more about our music. It's also to raise the Filipino flag and to represent our nation and the talent it brings and the culture and its language and the warmth of the people really.
Nagulat si Maloy.
Maloy, I'd like to hear from you as well.
Well, for me, I think my dialect is Batangueña.
Yes, it is.
I think it's
Batangueña,
inspired
si Maloy.
in a song.
Mm-hmm.
Pero for me na nagkaroon
Iba,
yeah, mahirap siya kantahin because yung tono iba. Pero
Mm-mm.
to learn like different dialects, makarinig like Bisaya, Bicolan, Ilocano, Bicolana, like it's really refreshing for me and parang for me na i-represent siya hindi lang sa kapwa mo Pilipino but in other people as well outside the Philippines.
Yeah.
It's an opportunity for us to bring what we have because I think malaki talaga yung chance natin.
Ano sinasabi ni Gwen kay Sheena?
Filipinos are one of the greatest performers at all time.
That's true.
Yeah.
I mean, it's not even just a chance anymore. You guys are doing it already. It's happening. It's now. I guess where we want to go from here now is like you guys are traveling around the world. I know as Beanie, you guys are hitting the States. You just came from Canada as well. SB19 naman, you guys have been all over the world. So now that you guys are going outside the country, are you feeling the momentum for P-pop change? I'd like to ask Stel.
Yeah, I guess right now we're very happy that finally is P-pop being recognized not only here in the Philippines but also globally. And same dun sa question kanina na putting other dialects. I think maganda siya kasi for
Si
the
Aya
longest
titig na
time,
titig kay Stel.
lagi nating naririnig Tagalog, English, and it's time na parinig din natin yung ibang mga salita natin dito, mga ibang wika, lengguwahe, kung ano pa man yung kaya nating i-showcase as Filipino. Kasi I think this year or sa mga susunod na taon, mas magiging
Nakita kayo kung si Sheena, nahihiya ba siya?
OPM scene, not only here but also sa buong mundo. And nakikita rin natin kahit yung mga sumisikat na international singers, may Pinoy blood pala. And doon tayo
True.
nagiging mas,
Sino yan?
oh my
Sino
God, madami. Maraming international artists na mga Pinoy pala. Parang syempre, number one,
Stella
Bruno
Hero.
Mars. Di,
Stella
Bruno
Hero.
Mars, di ba? May dugong Pinoy. So parang,
Hello, Olivia.
marami tayong na-discover ng mga artists na parang, oh, may Pinoy blood pala. So, hindi rin malabo for us na mga 100% Filipino blood na magawa rin natin yung mga success na nagagawa nila. And for P-pop naman, we're very happy din na hindi lang Pinoy yung na-inspired din namin. Kasi kahit even other countries nagkakaroon na rin ng idea to go here and to audition as a P-pop artist or maging
true.
or mag-release ng music dito or maging artist din dito. So parang for the longest time lagi tayong nakatingin lang sa labas ng bansa natin na parang sila yung may chance. But now na binigyan na tayo ng tamang platform and binigyan na tayo ng napakaraming inspiration from other artists pa. And kami, naging example din kami na na-inspire kami with other artists. And ngayon, parang ginagawa na rin
Nagtago na si
namin
Ken.
namin na tama namin going for other mga artist na ay mga dreamers din ngayon na gusto rin nila gawin yung na sumunod sa yapak namin or yung other mga legends here.
Oo nga, haba ng ano eh.
Sinabi, sana may point. So yeah, yeah. So yeah, yun naman, yun po.
You know, I'd like to say a fact for a lot of people that are watching this right now. The world looks at the Philippines as one of the markets that actually dictates who's going to be the next big thing globally. So many artists have actually broken here first before anywhere else in the world. Dua Lipa, Ed Sheeran, 1975. So what happens when the Philippines actually only focuses more on Filipino talent? That's what we want to see and that's where we're going. So what I'd like to say next is, what is a moment where you felt everything is changing for P-pop? You really felt that you can see where it's going, where the future is. You know,
Si Ayang, tinanong.
Aya, could we hear from you on this one?
Wow, nakatingin si ano, si Josh.
Times, big or small things that we can say, oh, it's really being seen, not just here but across the world, and hopefully it's gonna magnify. And for me, that time when we did a tour in Canada, and
Yes.
then we were very nervous and scared because it's our first time to have our own concert outside the Philippines, so we didn't know what the reception would be, how they would take us and accept us. So that time we were very grateful and blessed how not only Filipinos who attended our concert, but there are also like other races,
Yes.
different ages who
Mhm.
were there, and they were very happy to see us. And
Not everybody was all
that
Filipino.
everybody was all Filipino. So that made us think, oh, okay, there's really a chance that we can have our music be heard across the world, and hopefully it's not just us but all the other artists who are really striving and doing their very best and pouring all the love into
Yeah,
their craft, gets
deserve,
that kind of
deserve yan.
achievement, because I know we all deserve that for those artists who are really trying.
Summa cum laude.
Summa cum laude.
Can I actually
You
add
know,
something?
oh yeah, go ahead. Josh.
It felt like P-pop really changed everything. At parang naramdaman ko na ito na talaga yung revolution when actually Beanie made it. So, to be honest kasi before parang nangyayari medyo mahirap for other P-pop artists as well syempre to cross borders ganun. But ever since Beanie
Artist.
made it, parang naging inspiration din sila for other P-pop artists to strive more na may pag-asa talaga with the P-pop. Kasi matagal na namin pinupush as collective, lahat naman ng groups dito talagang matagal na pinupush. Pero when they made it, kasi before kami parang nagtutour kami, pero parang hindi pa namin, parang nare-reach namin yung audience, pero parang iniisip namin kung mas marami tayo, mas maraming ma-reach tong P-pop na ginagawa namin. So when they actually did it, parang sobrang actually even me na-inspire ako dun sa movement na yun na parang, uy, it's finally happening. Hindi lang to for now. For sure, yung mga susunod
Oo.
generations, mas marami pang magbo-blow up.
Actually, parang yun nga, gaya ng sinabi ni Josh, ngayon, yung mga events, concerts, kung mapapansin nyo po, dumadami na yung mga nai-invite na P-pop groups. So, yun yung isa sa nakakataba ng puso na nakikita natin yung improvement nung growth nung P-pop community.
Actually, like, especially in the last few months, we've seen so many concerts with so many P-pop groups and selling out constantly, and the launch of so many new groups as well. So it's obvious that the Philippines can see it, the world can see it, and you guys are leading the way for what's happening. That's amazing. I guess I'd like to go into next. What do you admire about each other's groups? So, okay.
Maganda yung question na yun.
Hold up.
Sino sasagot?
Hold up.
Ah, si Gwen.
Gwen,
Tatago si
Gwen,
Colette.
what can you say that you admire about SB19?
po, yes, SB19.
Mic drop.
Mic drop.
Grabe naman, di ba? Sorry, sorry,
Grabe, di ba sumasagot si Gwen pero mic drop na. Mic drop.
Yes.
Hala, ako po personally, sobrang naaalala ko pa nung mga times na
Ah.
nagsisisi sila. And as in, sobrang amazed na amazed ako. Siguro yung as in number one na ina-admire ko sa kanila is yung determination kasi they really opened the door for especially sa P-pop po. And the discipline and and of course, sila din po yung nililook up namin, lalo nung trainee days namin, di ba? Lalo nagsisimula pa lang yung P-pop nung time na yun. Sobrang grabe, the talent.
Ako po, add ko lang po, dahil yun nga po, nagsa-start pa lang po kami, talagang sila yung parang nakaset na okay, dapat maging parehas nila kami.
Yes.
So,
The
gusto,
standard.
gusto po namin yung
Okay.
sila ng risk na mapakilala yung P-pop. Parang sila talaga yung nangunguna. And alam niyo po yung tinake nila lahat ng negative muna bago, I mean, para safe naman yung, parang ganun po yung, parang ganun yung nangyayari. So, thankful kami na sila talaga nag-start na. Alam niyo yun, iset talaga yung standard. Okay, ganito ang excellence na pinapakita ng P-pop. Parang ganun.
Kasi nung time po nila, sobrang hirap talaga na like buksan
Oo,
yung
yeah.
P-pop.
Sobrang hirap i-please.
Nung time nila. 1990s pala nagsisimula na video pa natin. Pablo, ilang dekada na tayo?
Hindi, pero okay naman, gets naman, nung time nila.
Na hindi trainees pala kami.
Kayo.
Tama ka naman dyan, Gwen.
No, I mean,
P-pop pioneer.
we gotta be honest though. I mean, I've seen clips and videos of those interviews during that time, and
Yeah, oo nga.
gosh, how the media and everyone really treated
Hindi sila
you guys.
tumigil.
You were like opening the doors. You guys were breaking barriers. You guys were pushing it forward, and this wouldn't be happening without that. That's the truth. You know what I mean? And it doesn't make sense to me why it had to be like that because your talent is undeniable. Okay. Let's go. Let's get away from that negativity. I- Actually, okay, game. Let's do it.
Hindi, pero kasi, ngayon nga, mas nakikilala na yung P-pop, mas maraming eyes. So, mas marami ring batikos, mas maraming criticisms. Wala lang, parang recently, nagkaroon ako ng parang detoxification pagdating sa social media kasi parang sobrang dami na ng negative.
Oo, nagpahinga siya.
So, ayun, nagpahinga muna ako. Tapos, kinabukasan, bumalik na rin.
5 minutes later.
Parang sabi nga nila, di ba, pag ang puno ay hitik sa bunga, talagang lalong binabato. So, since everyone's attention nga is nakapokus na sa P-pop, ganyan. So, syempre, mas maraming tao na pwede kang punahin. Like, syempre, social media and say anything
Right.
about you, regardless of what you do. Even though,
Sikat kasi sila.
anything wrong or you're just doing what you love, makakatanggap ka talaga ng mga kakaibang mga mindset na
Yeah.
tao na hindi ko alam kung saan nanggagaling yung mga komento nila. Pero this is just a reminder for everyone who's trying to achieve the same dream as the two of us, the group dito. Kasi talagang madaming magbabati ko sa'yo regardless of what you do. So, baka kasi panghinaan sila ng loob or parang it breaks them pagdating dun sa mga pangarap nila. Pero just battle it out. Talagang ganun talaga eh. Kasi lalo na kapag exposed ka, mas maraming tao na pwedeng magsalita para sa iyo, patungkol sa iyo. So, ayun lang, gusto ko lang sabihin na kaya niyan. Talagang pagdadaanan niya para maging mas malakas ka.
And for as much as there is, I mean, I wouldn't say there's a lot of negativity, but for the negativity, there's just as much or more love or positivity right now. And that's what we need to focus on,
Yes.
truly.
Yes. Actually, add ko lang din po regarding dun sa parang, yun nga, because of social media, lahat nakatingin sa'yo. Siguro, habol ko lang din yung what we admired sa Bini naman is parang, nung nagsisimula pa lang din kasi po sila, actually, nakikita ko rin sa Twitter yung mga, meron pa kayo yung one take na performance nasa loob pa kayo ng bahay ni Kuya nun.
Hari kumambo daw.
Oh, basta colorful yung song mo. Oh, may ganon.
Take down po.
Yun nga, parang, di ba, asan nga ako, yun. Basta parang, what we admire din sa Beanie kasi, na parang, ang daming, di ba, ang daming ng mata ngayon, pero, the way they present themselves, parang, totoo pa rin. So, feeling ko isa rin po yun, bukod sa, syempre, you know, how talented they are, we know how disciplined pag nagper-perform sila, pero po, siguro, isa yun sa naging key, yung pagiging tao ng isang artist. So, yun po, parang kung makikita natin kung gaano sila nakakatawa, kung gaano katotoo sila. Actually, ayun nga, parang parang lagi kayong lumalabas sa mga feed, pero matutulog na ako, lalabas kayo. Nakakatulugan ko yung mga super haba na live nyo.
Oh,
So,
natutuwa pala si Justin. Nanonood siya.
gagawa nyo, yung mga, parang hindi kayo
Funny nga ang Beanie
merong
kasi.
limit, pero hindi kayo nahihiya
Oo.
o takot na kasi normal yung mga bagay-bagay. Meron
Oo.
na parang iniisip natin, hala, celebrity sila, dapat hindi sila magsasabi or gagawa ng ganito. Pero, parang,
Yeah.
parang nakaka-inspire siya sa lahat ng tao.
Humble.
Nila na even
Humble.
though you're up there,
We're still a human.
oo, parehas pa rin
I
tayo.
think that's basically what you call P-pop. That's how you define P-pop. Kasi authenticity namin yun, tsaka yung personality as being Filipinos, hindi yan katulad ng ibang country.
Oh, yeah. P-pop nga.
Hindi sila makaka-relate eh.
The humor,
Yung
the
humor
every,
talaga,
yes,
original. Diba? And that's P-pop.
Tsaka one thing din po na napansin ko sa Beanie, katulad sinabi ni Justin, parang ano yun eh, super, yun yung isa sa parang selling point ng group nila is for being real, and nakakatuwa yung mga clips nga na napapanood nyo. And one thing din na talaga napansin ko is, hindi sila sumuko and hindi mo mapapansin na napapagod sila sa ginagawa nila.
Oh, nanonood din si Stel.
Every time na napapanood ko sila mag-perform, pag nami-meet namin sila, parang every time,
It's been a long day.
babaguhin ko ba ulit? Hindi. Super happy sila. Nararamdaman ko yun. And I think they really deserve kung ano yung nangyayari sa kanila ngayon. Kasi alam ko naman na nung time na nagsisimula sila, syempre, alam mo yun, parang nasa isang lugar sila na parang kailangan gawin nila yung kailangan sabihin sa kanila. And sabi ko, parang, gets ko na to. Gets ko yung ganitong klaseng idea and paano binuo yung ganitong group. Tapos all of a sudden, parang lumalabas na yung totoong sila. Like, nagjo-joke na sila. Parang, nagiging maskwela. May personality na sila. Sabi ko, parang ito talaga yung Beanie. And this is yung nakikita na parang mas mamahalin ng mga fans nila. And true enough, nung nakilala nga sila isa-isa, talagang mas nag-boom talaga yung Beanie lalo. And
Ang tagal ni Estel.
nagustuhan ko sa kanila, parang nakakatuwa pala talaga sila. Kasi pag minsan nagmi-meet kami sa event, parang hi lang talaga, hi. Pero nung tumagal-tagal na, parang nakikita ko, mga kalog din pala talaga itong mga to. And base nga po doon din siguro na answer na to ni Pablo before, P-pop for us, ang P-pop ay sumasalamin sa buhay.
Salamin.
So, tama, salamin. So, tama nga, parang masasabi nga natin na talagang super relatable and super Pinoy talaga ng people. Na tayo rin ng kakaintindihan kung ano yung pinagdadaanan ng bawat isa. So, I guess, yun po yung nagustuhan ko personally sa Beanie.
Gusto ko sa Beanie, music po.
Ano daw?
Yes.
Siguro po lahat naman ng P-pop groups. Kasi, SB19 para lagi.
Galit sa mundo.
Kaya mo sasabihin parang galit. Huwag ka magtaka.
Tapos parang sobrang refreshing kapag nakakapakinig ka ng music ng ibang groups na, syempre, may paborito akong kanta yung lagi. Favorite ko talaga yun. Kasi isipin mo kapag nakikinig ka ng SB19 tapos nasa biyahe ka, tapos galit yung kanta, tapos galit ka. So gusto mo,
tugtog mo what?
gusto mo parang light lang. So, yun yung isa sa mga pinaka nagustuhan ko sa kanila kasi talagang yung music nila very light.
Yes.
Siguro yun din yung magsasabi na yung difference nila sa ibang grupo. Tsaka yun din pala, ang hirap ng parang sobrang complicated nung tanong na what is P-pop, what makes it unique. Pero sa totoo lang, madali lang naman talaga siya sagutin. Parang pinapakomplika lang natin.
Oo.
Sa totoo
Iba-iba.
lang, kasi di ba, parang lahat naman tayo iba-iba. Iba-iba tayo na tao. Though, lahat tayo may mga
Differences.
mga ano ba, same din, kumbaga. So,
Yeah.
we have our differences. At the same time, we have our similarities. Ang galing mo doon. We have our similarities. So, technically,
Talino
if
talaga
you
si
love
Pablo.
yourself, you're already doing something unique. So, bakit mo papakomplikahin? And,
Hindi naman mga bobo.
ay, hindi naman, I mean,
No,
hindi
it's,
naman sila,
hey,
hindi sila
let's
mahirap
be honest.
sagutin.
Let's be
Hindi
honest.
sila mahirap
Masyado siyang
sagutin.
prank
Oh,
ah.
they will know if something is not authentic or
Yes.
something is not true or ayun nga kung peke. So,
Chill.
nakikita ko yun, napapanood ko sa kanila na very ano lang sila, parang normal na mga tao, talagang
Real na
pinapakita nila yung sarili nila, tapos talagang dun, yun yung nakaka-attract ng mga audience. And I think kapag nag-perform kami sa ibang bansa or saan man mundo, parang nakakatakot. It's scary to think na paano tayo magpe-perform, but yung pinaka-answer talaga doon, what makes us special
Naantok na si Ken.
being ourselves eh. So kung magustuhan nila tayo dun sa
Si Stacy di pa sumasagot.
I think yun yung pinaka-successful na pwede natin gawin para sa
Saka si Sheena, hindi pa sumasagot.
culture natin. And if they came to love our culture, then yun na yung start, yun na yung
Oo.
lahat. So, yun lang, yun yung gusto ko sabihin.
Vice President.
Pablo for class president.
Kaya Idol Queen.
I totally agree. I mean, I was having a conversation with Sir Gary B the other day, and we were talking about this. What can we do to further what's
Be
happening
yourself.
right now in OPM? And it's a simple answer. Be yourself. As cliche as it sounds, being yourself is the way that this whole thing will go further. Because what do we want the world to see? We want them to see Filipino culture. We want them to see
Be
Filipino
yourself.
identity. And how do
Of
you do
course.
that? Be yourself.
Oh,
That easy.
Brett, may sabihin din ako dyan. Kasi what is scary is, usually kasi as an artist, you really have to offer something to your fans, right?
Mm-hmm.
So, minsan kasi pag sinasabi ng fans mo, like, you should be like this because you're an artist, right? Kailangan mo entertain yung people. But the truth is, to me personally, I'm not an entertainer. I'm an artist. So, in making art, the audience comes last. That is for me personally. Yun yung sinabi ni Rick Rubin sa, ano niya, sa, ano ba tawag ito? Producer yun siya. So,
Yes.
yeah, sobrang na-inspire ako sa book niya.
Recruitment, tol? Ano yun?
Rick Rubin.
Rick Rubin.
Citation
So,
yun, may citation.
ayun, sobrang na-inspire ako sa sinabi niya. So, ayun, yeah, gusto ko lang sabihin na what I like about Beanie is they're very genuine people,
Yes.
I think, and hopefully, ipagpatuloy nila yung ng klaseng buhay. Kasi, I think that's what, kumbaga, yun yung nagustuhan ng mga fans sa kanila. And, talaga nag-enjoy sila, hindi lang dahil sa music nila, but especially their personality.
oh,
Good job, Beanie. Good job, great job.
Happy birthday, Baby.
wow.
Please watch this.
Happy birthday pala ni Maloy. Happy birthday, Maloy. Ay, di ba?
Kaya narito naman ang mga mensahe. Narito naman ang mga mensahe ng mga mahal mo sa buhay. Roll VTR.
That's why it's very scary talaga for artists na maging kumbaga maging totoo sa sarili nila kasi usually namamanipulate talaga tayo ng mga taong nag-criticize sa atin kasi natatakot tayo kumbaga kung ano yung meron sa atin ngayon it might be kumbaga parang maglaho na lang talaga biglaan kasi hindi natin alam yung kinabukasan bigla na pala tayong bumagsak ganun no so iniisip natin palagi yung nag-overthink tayo and it's very normal for people especially as an artist na mag-overthink din kasi yun yung ano natin kumbaga kung masaya yung ibang tao masaya din tayo but usually kasi nawawala yung pagiging nawawala yung pagiging what do you call this yung humanity mo kumbaga yung creation mo nawawala yung art mo kung ano talaga gusto mong gawin kasi gusto mong sundin kung ano yung gusto ng mga tao but yung gusto ko lang sabihin sana ma-encourage yung mga tao na gusto gawin nila yung kung gusto nilang gawin as long as they're happy and wag sila magpa-manipulate and wag kayo magpa-manipulate sa sinasabi ng ibang tao gawin niyo yung art niyo yun yung pinaka-importante sa lahat kung ano yung nagpapasaya niyo gawin niyo
Sergeant at arms.
It's true. The landscape of P-pop and OPM it's so big right now. There's no like this is how it has to be. You guys are painting that picture as we speak. You are writing the history as we speak. So it's open. It's open to do
Yeah.
whatever. We get to see where it's going to go. And with that being said, the future of P-pop is bright. We all know this. Pero what support do we need
Ayun, help.
for it to
Help
get
daw.
even bigger? Sheena, help us out.
Anda?
What support?
Yes.
Fine, charing. Of course, um, talagang gusto talaga namin
Ah.
for going internationally. Makuha namin mga puso ng mga kababayan namin.
Very
Kasi
true.
ayaw naman namin diretso
Oo, tama naman.
ganyan, pero mismo kababayan namin hindi kami mahal. What's
Mhm.
the point, 'di ba? Wala kaming support, wala kaming pinangahawakan, wala kaming pinagkukuhanan ng yes, emotional support, ganyan. And
Mm.
ang sabi niyo po kanina na unti-unti na kaming minamahal. Kaya feeling
Pilipinas.
ko, ngayong ina-accept na kami ng Pilipinas, isa sila sa mga tumulong sa amin para to go internationally. Like, isa sila sa mga grabe yung pag-promote sa amin, ganyan. Grateful talaga. So, Pilipinas, I love you.
Tuwa si Maloy.
I mean, that is so true. I mean, the first people that need to believe in you is definitely the people from here in the Philippines. Because if you have that support, I guess going back to the point earlier,
Mm.
if the Philippines supported opium and
Different.
support foreign music, the whole industry would be in a different place, and it would move so much faster. So what are we waiting for, right? Support now.
Just use the hashtag.
Support.
I guess moving into support.
Stacy na.
Eto na. How important is
Ay,
support
tumayo
from
pa.
casual fans?
Well, sa Bini po, nag-start po talaga siya sa song namin na Pantropiko ever since nag-boom yung
Tumayo talaga.
For you, sir. Sa simula nung nag-boom talaga yung Pantropiko na song namin, talagang dun na parang nagtuloy-tuloy. And natakot kaming Bini natakot kaming mag-release ng next songs kasi paano namin matatapatan yung Pantropiko fever, di ba? So, simula nung
Ah.
namin yung Salamin Cherry on Top, nagulat talaga kami kasi di po namin in-expect na mamahalin talaga nila yung music namin, especially sa Cherry on Top since English song po siya. Natakot kami kasi baka mamaya, syempre, patok sa masa yung songs ng Bini.
Yep.
Ba't ba ako nakatayo? Isa pa nga. And ayun, and thankful kami kasi talagang grabe magmahal ang Pilipinas, yung mga Filipino blooms. Kahit yung mga blooms na nasa ibang bansa, grabe po sila magmahal. And talagang yun yung greatest blessing na binigay sa amin ni Lord. Amen.
I totally agree. I mean, in a way, like when I was growing up
Budots.
in the Visayas, I heard a lot of budots. And yeah, and like
Sample!
but the thing is, when that time was happening, I remember all the names it was being called. Jejimon, it's this, it's that. And now it's in Boiler Room Set. It's global. It's being danced by people around the world. And it's authentically and originally Filipino. It's one of a kind. You know what I mean? And I think right now what you guys are doing is amazing because you can't be put into a box.
Wow.
The audience puts you into a box.
Yeah.
You need to be able to explore and try new things. We want to see that because P-pop is going to grow into whatever it's going to be, and you guys again are leading that way. So super excited for that. I guess the last thing I'd like to talk about with you guys is what are your
What
messages
are the
for
message daw?
the P-pop groups that are coming up right now? Since you guys are the leaders of the new wave, what are some advice or some things you'd like to say to them?
Isa-isa po ba? Lahat?
Yeah, let's do it. Go ahead.
My message before.
Yeah, go.
Yun na yung message ko, so we go connect.
Ah.
Ayun kanina, yung sabi ko.
Tugtungan.
May games kami, yung last word.
So excited nila.
20 seconds
To
maximum.
all the groups out there. Oh.
There, out there, basta just be yourself lang and yung discipline dapat nandun.
Nandun kayo. Nandun yung passion nyo.
Yes.
Stop and believe in yourself. Yes. Yes. Yes, everyone. And I hope that... Di ba message sa P-pop group?
Yeah.
Oh, bakit? Okay. Yes, and
don't be afraid to show who you are.
Yes.
Dugtungan pala.
are are amazing, and don't ever doubt yourself. It's not going to be easy, but
We are
yes,
here.
but always remember that we are here to dominate. Dominate? And what's your last word?
But-
Yes, but always remember that we are here to dominate and not to fit into anyone's boxes. Boxes!
Boxes! Ang hirap naman ng boxes. Says, I hope you're okay, and I know you have big dreams, and don't be afraid because it's, maraming problems na dadating, but
Ang dami.
I know mas strong yung dreams mo and you can do whatever you want basta you believe in yourself.
Hi, self! Kung nasa ka yourself. Yourself is the most important thing. So, you have to prioritize yung gusto mo, yung katulad yung sinabi ni Kuya, kung ano yung gusto mo, dapat yun yung i-prioritize mo. Feeling ko, just stick to your core. Kung ano yung nasa core mo, if that is love, be that center sa lahat ng ginagawa mo.
Morning man o evening. Yes. You have to work hard. Yan. And
And yes, and even if there are times that you feel like
Hindi po lalaban.
yes, and kahit may mga times na feeling nyo, wala, nakakapagod na talaga, ang gusto kong sumuko, pero you're there for a reason. You're there.
You're there. You're almost there. So you're there. But you're still there. And I'm here telling you that you can do it. So every good boy, that's fine.
fine.
Okay, fine.
Fine.
Tumaya.
You'll be fine. Fine. F-I-N-E, fine. That means that you should always be fine
Lumakad
what you're
pa.
doing. You should never doubt yourself.
Bumaba pa.
Never feel insecure about what you're doing.
Star.
Don't ever break your dreams. Always chase your star. Always believe in what you're doing. Never stop believing. This is from SBNI19.
Wow.
From your newest transferee of this section.
Hashtag repeater. Hashtag irregular.
Sana meron po kayo nakuhang sa amin. Inspirasyon.
Meron naman.
Nakakatuwa sila.
Final thing, just a message for all of your supporters. You guys have amazing fans. I think I'd like to hear from the leaders of each group for this one.
Message daw
A message to
for
your
the
fans and a
people
message to the
that
people
support.
you.
Diba, ladies first?
Kung sino daw pinaka long hair, siya yung una.
Tumayo pa.
So yung message namin, siguro gusto lang namin mag-thank you sa support na binibigay nyo kasi grabe magmahal talaga ang mga Pinoy and especially yung fan base ng groups natin, di ba? Grabe. Feeling ko kasi meron na tayong strong fan engagement.
Unity.
Ang kailangan na lang talaga natin unity, tama, and mag-release talaga ng mga meaningful songs. Yon, mag-explore. Back to
Yes,
you.
sir.
Tayo ka rin. Tayo rin ba?
Oo. Tayo.
Siguro ano ba sabihin ko? Sa totoo lang, Brett, wala na akong masabi sa fans namin kasi everyday naman nagpapasalamat kami, sinasabi namin na mahal namin sila. Siguro gusto ko lang sabihin kasi ako, ini-imagine ko rin paano ba yung lives ng mga fans. So I know meron din silang mga dreams, meron din silang mga aspirations katulad nating mga kabataan. Kabataan pa tayo, lahat tayo dito.
Kabataan Pinoy.
Gusto ko lang, ang hiling ko lang kay Lord, gusto ko lagi silang malayo sa kapahamakan. Yung health nila okay palagi. Kasi kapag okay tayong lahat, kaya natin magtrabaho, kaya nating abutin yung mga pangarap natin, di ba? So, habang okay tayo, maayos yung health natin, maayos yung minds natin kasi syempre mahalaga din ng mental health. Kaya natin abutin yung pangarap. And gusto ko lang sabihin na darating yung time na kung hindi man yan darating yung time in God's perfect time na maabot niyo yung mga pangarap niyo. So, habang okay tayo lahat, magpursige tayo, gawin natin yung very best natin. Huwag tayong magliban ng, wag tayong magre-relax lang na basta-basta. Kasi syempre if we have our dreams, dapat every time na may opportunity, ibigay natin yung 100% natin. Huwag tayong parang mag-aalinlangan kasi kapag nagkaroon ng alinlangan, doon nagkakaroon ng problema. So, ayun lang, good health for everyone and sasabihin ko lang ulit, mahal na mahal namin kayo and you guys are our inspiration and our motivation. So,
Sobrang galing ni Pablo talaga.
motivation para sa ibang tao rin. So, ayun lang gusto ko sabihin. Maraming salamat. Mabuhay. More birthdays to come. Ano ba? Ano ba bang gusto ko sabihin?
MBTC, GBU.
Merry Christmas. And malapit na yung Merry Christmas and happy birthday.
At tapos na. Dalawa lang magsasalita.
You guys for being here today. I think there's a lot to take away from this episode. First of all, we need to support these groups because we know that if we support OPM in general and the whole Philippines comes together, this thing can get bigger and bigger and bigger until this nation and the music community is leading across the world. Secondly, there's no more time for fighting. We need to come together as fans and as music listeners and just keep supporting. We need to do this together. Hoping for more support, not only from the fans, but from the government, from businesses and people to invest in OPM in general, especially P-pop. Thank you so much, SB19 and Beanie, for being here today. You coming together is a big moment for the music community, and your words are going to go everywhere today. So thank you so much. This has been Billboard Philippines
Wow.
with Beanie.
Okay. Ang bilis ha. Tapos na agad. Bigla ako nainip. Ang haba nung ano nila, pero parang ano lang. Ang haba. Ang haba is asan yung time? Nasaan yung time niya? Nag-perform pala sila. Okay, pause ko muna. Hindi natin ngayon i-react yan. Pero, sa sobrang haba niya, hindi ako nainip. Alam mo, 5 minutes lang ako nanood. Grabe. Nakakawawi yung interview na to. Sobrang wow.